Isn't it crazy? I've been so active on YouTube lately. Guys, I don't know why, but I recently really started loving YouTube again and like really appreciating you there because you're always so kind. I love reading your comments. I love writing with you, like chatting. So leave some love in the comments. It helps me to stay motivated to read from you. And yeah, show the video some love if you like it. But what I wanted to say, today is May the 2nd. Happy new month. And I'm a bit, let's say, under the weather because the weather in Berlin is changing so much. Today it's like pretty hot. It's like over 20 degrees, which is crazy because I think 2 days ago it was almost like 10 degrees. And also the pollen situation is like really making my head and my nose and my throat not so happy. So that's also like why I feel a bit like energetically drained, I think. But I still wanted to vlog because today I have to prepare my apartment for something special happening tomorrow, which is the packing all the orders, because I had a secret sale finally again from my own yarn brand, and the shop was open for 24 hours and you guys actually really, I guess, were happy because now I have 200 packages to pack, which really is surreal because I don't know why. I talked about this a lot and I'm always a bit sad that I think that way, but I always think that maybe whatever I've been doing in my head and preparing is not cool enough for you to like it. And I'm always a bit sad that I think like that because I'm like, why am I talking myself down so fucking much? Why can't I not be like a, I don't know, white 40-year-old man who's just like, slay, let's do it. I'm the best. Everyone's gonna love it. No, I'm like always doubting myself so much. And I think this is a reminder for you to never doubt yourself because why? Why? Like, what's the, like for real? Why? Why should we? So yeah, I've been not that nice to myself lately, which maybe also is why my body is so drained. I've not been talking the best about myself in my head. And I want to change that. So a few updates. So today I want to spend a bit of time finishing my crochet project because I talked about this in one of my Instagram stories. I asked you if you would like a triangle situation of the pattern, the flower pattern I did, and you said yes. So I tried to figure it out. I think it went kind of amazing for like my first try. But before I do that, I have to check off a few things off of my to-do list, which first of all is going to be preparing my apartment for tomorrow, because tomorrow the girls will come over to help me pack your orders. So I want to bake something tomorrow morning for my girlies. I'm thinking about maybe cookies and cinnamon buns. But I will brainstorm later, so I have to go grocery shopping today because tomorrow in Germany it's Sunday, so everything will be closed. So that's on the to-do list, and other than that, I want to organize some footage on my phone. But that's least priority, as always. So yeah, that's just what I'm gonna do now. I hope you enjoy this little, I don't even know what to call it, random days in my apartment featuring my new yarn warehouse at home kind of vlog. Enjoy. That's the chaos we're working with. Everything you see in the back. I'm gonna completely clean the table, get rid of this, organize the new shipping boxes and figure out whatever this is. I have to finish a few of the patterns. Maybe also kind of do the bathroom situation here a bit more, I don't know, less overwhelming. Yeah, I also need to get more of the hygiene stuff for tomorrow for my girlies. The, you know, disinfection kind of hands clean stuff. And maybe also print a few more postcards, to be honest, because now I want these kind of to go into every order. Reality check. I didn't move for 1 hour. Let's go now. Shipping boxes for tomorrow are prepped. We have like different sizes for different kind of orders. Like these are the A5 patterns, the A4 patterns, like the bigger ones. And also like if you order more yarn, you will like of course get a bigger package. And these are like for socks only, and these back there are for the crochet bags only. So yeah, that's that. And what I want to do now is have another coffee and I want to print more postcards. So I will do that now for I think half an hour, and then I am going to head to the grocery shopping places where I want to go. Also did some thumbnail work this morning. Look how cute. Kind of love it. The desk in general is also already cleaned. And look at these. I got flowers from my mom. Aren't they sweet? So gorgeous. Most importantly, a little sweet treat. Go. I'm gonna change into a different outfit, and because I can already see your comments coming, I will link the jogger set down below. It's from ASOS, and it's very cozy. It's very baggy, but I love it that way. And we will change outfits because we're gonna go grocery shopping, and this is the first and only time that I'm gonna leave the house today, and that's what the fit is going to be for. So let's see. It's 23 degrees. It's actually pretty nice weather. And I spent the whole day inside. I couldn't be more happy. Outfit check. The second. I changed into my A6. Very old suit pants from Naked Fashion. I think like 3 years old. But if I can find them, I will link them. And shirt is Amos Studio. Love this one. groceries are so heavy I can't. Time for a little haul. This is grocery store number 1. And let me say, Lidl lohnt sich. I swear I paid 30 euros for all of this, and it's always crazy to me because this is so much stuff. Let me give you a quick haul. This is kind of like a basic haul that I do whenever I go like grocery shopping. When it comes to vegetables though, it's a bit less than usual because most of it was sold out, because apparently Germans always go crazy when it's like Sunday, because apparently they think that they're not gonna make it through Sunday. I'm one of them. No, like for real, I haven't been grocery shopping since like 2 weeks, so I had to. So let's start with vegetables. I got 3 bananas. We got Pfirsiche, tomatoes, apples, such an einie, 2 lemons, carrots, oranges. That's it for vegetables. The like salad stuff was completely sold out, but I got, yeah, I don't know the English word, maismuffin. I got my favorite milk. Then we got tofu, vegan cheese, hummus with, I don't know what taste, but it was the only one still available. So I guess I will try. I think it's something like curry, Hefe, whatever the English word is. Vegan cream cheese for topping for tomorrow's cinnamon buns. I want to taste test the hummus though. Ooh, this tastes very like curry. Amazing. Number 2, I can't. Okay guys, haul. My favorite yogurts, vegan cottage cheese, hygiene stuff for the desk and our hands, salad baby, stuff for tomorrow baking, fancy oat milk for everyone who wants matcha tomorrow, another fancy one, it's like vanilla. Then we got these 2, cinnamon, because tomorrow we're gonna make cinnamon buns, my favorite candies. And then for drinks for tomorrow, I got Sprite Zero twice, because not everyone apparently loves Coke Zero. But I also got us Coke Zero. And then, because I'm currently always drinking like lots of more juices, I got tomato juice for my daily drink. I drink like, you know, different drinks every day. Orange juice, which apparently has the most gorgeous packaging. Carrot juice, apple juice, and this juice mix. Yep, that's it. Look at this. What a beauty. I was productive. So I'm gonna make myself some dinner now, because it's already a bit very late for dinner. But I'm gonna make myself some nice dinner. And then I'm gonna do the rest of the like postcard stuff. Just enjoy. I made myself a wrap. I'm so late with dinner tonight. I can't. You can hear the printer printing, maybe. I will now eat this, print the rest, and then we're gonna see each other tomorrow, I'd say. Cheers and good night. Oh, this is good. Good night. Let's bake. I could just cry.